In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Obsidian app for notes. By the end, you'll be comfortable opening Obsidian, creating a note, writing content, adding a clear title, dropping in checkboxes, and styling text with italics so your notes are both readable and useful. Start by opening Obsidian. When the app loads, you'll see your workspace, often called a vault. Think of a vault as a folder on your computer that holds all your notes. Obsidian is a plain text markdown based editor, which means you write normally and add simple symbols to format your content. Don't worry if you're new to Markdown, these basics are quick to learn and incredibly flexible. Create a new note by selecting the New Note option in the interface. A fresh blank page appears in the editor pane. You can begin typing immediately. Obsidian saves automatically as you type, so there's no need to hunt for a save button. If you plan to keep this note, it's a good habit to give it a clear name so you can find it easily later using search. To turn a line into a proper title, type 2 hash symbols, then a space, followed by your heading text. Those 2 hashes create a level 2 heading, which is a nice balanced size for most notes. Headings act like signposts. They make your note easy to scan, they help with structure, and they improve navigation when your notes get longer. You can create additional sections the same way, using a new line with 2 hashes and a space for each section title. Now, let's add a checkbox. Place your cursor where you want a task item and press Ctrl+L. On many setups, this inserts a to-do checkbox so you can track actions right inside your note. Checkboxes are perfect for meeting agendas, project steps, or quick daily tasks. Keep related tasks together so you can mark them complete as you work. For emphasis, you can make text italic. To do that, put an asterisk at the start of the word or sentence and another asterisk at the end. Make sure the asterisks hug the text without extra spaces so the formatting applies cleanly. Italics are great for definitions, reminders, or subtle emphasis that doesn't overpower the rest of your content. That's all you need to get started. Open Obsidian, create a new note, type freely, add a clear title with 2 hashes and a space, drop in a checkbox with Ctrl+L, and use asterisks for italics. With these essentials, you can capture ideas quickly and keep them organized in a way that scales as your notes grow.